The best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart.
Number 2. Life is not meant to be so serious. Make time for fun, for joy, for play. According to Alan Watts, the secret to living fully in the moment is to realize that what you're doing is actually play, rather than work. Don't believe anyone who tells you that there isn't time for fun, for joy, or laughter, because when you were young, life was nothing but fun. Life is to be lived. Lived before you die. Don't regret a second of this priceless gift of life. The important lesson most of us adults still need to learn is that life is not meant to be so serious. We can easily forget that our lives do not last forever. This is why it is important to remind yourself, one day, you, like all other humans, will die. When we remind ourselves of our inevitable death, when we remind ourselves of the fact that we do not know when it will all end, when we really take in the impermanence of it all, maybe then, we can start taking everything a little less seriously. The majority of people are struggling so hard to get the job, to get the extra money, so they can appear worthy among others. And those people really don't care about them or about any of that, because they are doing the same thing, searching for money and achievements. But money doesn't make us feel worthy. Only we can do that. Maybe we don't need to stress so much about our weight, our skin, our bank account, or what other people think of us. I challenge you to look at life as a journey, rather than a struggle, a strain, or a goal that needs to be attained elsewhere. A challenge to see how much joy you can squeeze out of every day. Then, it won't matter if you don't get the big house or the fancy car, because no matter what happens, you will have what most people lack. 3 things money can never buy: happiness, peace, and passion for living. Strive to live a life that is fulfilling on the inside as well as on the outside.
Some of the greatest minds have been unable to solve.
Another mystery.
The only way I know I exist